Is it time to buy or sell ACHR Aviation stock? In this video, we will explore ACHR Aviation in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 28th, 2024, our system has identified ACHR Aviation as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.73. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have seen a remarkable gain of 124.89% since we initially categorized ACHR Aviation as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.46% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 67.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a loss of 3% to a gain of 114.15%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of about 14.98% over the coming year, with a potential range for returns spanning from a loss of 96.88% to a gain of 5.80%. This would result in a price range between 24 cents and $8.11 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for ACHR Aviation includes the headline, High Volatility in ACHR Aviation Incorporated stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $7.67. The stock price for ACHR Aviation Incorporated increased by 10.34% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, rising from $6.95 to $7.67. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 18.72%, with a low of $7.05 and a high of $8.37. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 51.7% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 17 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 56 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $425,950,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $9.84, while the lowest price was $2.82. Currently, the price stands 22.07%, or $2.17, below the 52-week high, and 51.31%, or $8.08, below the all-time high reached on the 10th of February, 2021, when the price hit $15.75. Today, ACHR Aviation, trading under the symbol ACHR, is experiencing notable market activity, with its stock soaring by 15% within the morning session. This surge comes on the heels of a resilient performance over the past month, where the stock soared 204% in November amid growing investor enthusiasm for electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, commonly known as eVTOLs. This promising technology is seen as a game changer in urban transportation, enabling users to navigate traffic more efficiently. On a technical front, the company's recent achievement of a golden cross, a bullish indicator where the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day, further strengthens investor confidence. Such indicators typically lead to increased buying interest, potentially propelling ACHR's price upwards in the near term. However, the volatility in ACHR stock is worth noting. Just days prior, the stock experienced a steep decline of over 26%, following an uptick in short selling. This volatility could turn some investors cautious in the short term, as the stock may be influenced by market sentiment regarding the viability and timeline of eVTOL technology. In the long term, analysts view Archer Aviation as a strong contender in the eVTOL sector, making it an attractive opportunity for growth-focused investors. As the market for electric air taxis evolves, ACHR could see sustained interest if it effectively leverages its technological advances and capitalizes on the increasing demand for innovative urban transport solutions. Overall, today's gains signal a potential rebound, aligning with a broader trend towards disruptive growth stocks as investors pivot to capitalize on future mobility innovations. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned ACHR a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Canaccord Genuity also rated ACHR as a buy with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of May, 2024, Canaccord Genuity reiterated a buy rating for ACHR with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of February, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated ACHR as overweight with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 11th of August, 2023, Benchmark also gave ACHR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Archer Aviation stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have determined that the stock merits a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Archer Aviation. Archer Aviation Incorporated's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $7.65 and $4.71. A decline below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, potentially impacting the near short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, November 29, 2024, and since then, the stock has dropped by nearly 20%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 40 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Archer Aviation. Archer Aviation Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.50. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.32 between its high and low, which is an increase of 18.72%. Over the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 20.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Archer Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might signal insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.230. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Archer Aviation. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Archer Aviation is at $8.09. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Archer Aviation encounters its first support level at $7.50. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Archer Aviation from various analysts is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of November, 2024, Diaz-Debra conducted an insider purchase of 5,150 shares of Class A common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Goldstein Adam D. executed an insider sale of 805,170 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of November, 2024, Goldstein Adam D. conducted another insider sale of 1,372,247 shares of Class A common stock. On the 21st of November, 2024, Goldstein Adam D. made an insider purchase of 19,762 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Goldstein Adam D. also conducted an insider sale of 829,761 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 29.347. In total, insiders acquired 32,393,785 shares and sold 15,711,204 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.23, reflecting a decrease of 5.66%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Archer Aviation stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Archer Aviation Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of December, we expect Archer Aviation to open at approximately 2.76 cents and begin trading at $7.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is essential not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.